Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I just would like to show you what's happening right now here. XRP, $2.50. Alt season could be officially starting very, very soon. All the altcoins should be going up like crazy. In today's video, I'm going to show you when we could be really starting to see every possible alt going banana to the stratosphere. I don't know how you want to call it, and of course to make crazy gains. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and really stay with me until the end, guys, because this video is gonna blow your mind. I'm going to analyze the top G altcoins to show you with price prediction. I'm gonna show you when and why how season is going to start, when we're going to get out, and so much more. Guys, so the way I want to show you what's happening right now here with XRP. To all the holders with XRP, congratulations to all of you guys. I only have $3,000 in XRP, and unfortunately, I think I should have more. But of course, when this chart looks amazing, and in this video, I'm going to show you, the price prediction for XRP, how high it can go to. Also, I'm going to talk about ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, and so much more. Now, lots of people are asking me right now, has our season started? How I'm going to prepare? What I need to have a look at? And straight away, I'm going to tell you that if you want to be prepared for our season and, of course, know the coins that have a potential to go high, very, very high, 10x, 20x, 30x, what you can do straight away, guys, is to join our VIP group, guys. VIP group, our Discord group, we have a price prediction for so many coins to show you exactly the point that they're gonna go up to. So it's everything written over here, but also we provide Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis, long term, short term. This is our trading results, guys, from myself and my pro members. So what I will tell you is that to join, link in the description, you will not regret it, especially because right now is a very important time to get in. So many pullbacks are going to come. They're going to try to scare you, push you out from the market. But remember that now is probably the time, the best time actually to be involved in crypto. Now, straight away, I want to show you what's happening right now with Altseason. Some people are asking me, has Altseason started? Yes or no? And I'm going to show you this chart over here, which is very important, right? This basically represents the Bitcoin market cap dominance. You can see that in 2020, the altcoin season officially started around the 4th of January 2021. You can see we had what we call an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle over here. And then after that, basically we saw the Bitcoin dominance to drop to the downside. Why this is relevant? This is very relevant because basically it's telling you when the Bitcoin dominance drop down, it means that institutions and investors, they're taking money away from Bitcoin and putting them into altcoins. And in general, what can happen, you can see from here. We had a drop of the Bitcoin dominance right now. The RSI is showing like a proper drop down to here. We drop our Bitcoin dominance down to here. And if we are going to lose this channel over here, basically this what could be happening. I'm going to keep going down around this area over here, 46, even as low, looking at the chart from here, even as low as maybe 44 to even 43%. Now, basically, what I'm looking right now with the Bitcoin dominance is that I want to see this one to happen, and I'm expecting, of course, altcoins to go crazy. I already bought the altcoins I want, and of course, everything is written over here in our VIP. What to buy, with all the potential returns. And for you guys, what I would say is once the Bitcoin dominance is going to drop down to this area over here, this is when I'm going to be very, very careful and start to sell my chunks of altcoins. Simply because at that level is going to be a time where, of course, BTC dominance is going to raise up again, where all the money is going to be taken away from altcoins and put them back into Bitcoins. So that's why you have to be very, very careful. But right now, it looks like you are just starting. Again, this is not a clear breakdown. And the reason being is because you can see from here that we're still into this upward channel. So as long as we are going to stay up to here and Bitcoin is going to continue to do this, then I don't see altcoins to go crazy. But if we're going to see a clear drop of this area from here and then continuation down, once you're going to be around here, expect so many altcoins to go to the stratosphere. Like, for example, XRP, but also the one I'm going to show you today, the true OG altcoins. Now, lots of people are asking me about when is going to be the next phase of altcoin season. Well, in general, right, if what you can do, you can go and calculate, you can go altcoin season phase. You can go and Google it, and it's going to show you exactly what happened, what is going to be the phase. So you go over here, right? Path to alt season. So this is going to be very important because it's going to show you exactly what happens in general during alt season. You can see that during phase one, all the money goes into Bitcoin. Phase two, all the money flows into Ethereum, but also into large cap altcoins, like for example, XRP, ADA, DOT, Avalanche, and so much more. Then from Ethereum goes into the large caps. Large cap is the proper season where the mid and small cap start to go up like crazy. Right now, we are pretty much, in my opinion, around here. And as you can see, right, when you see over here, the phase two as the phase three, they usually overlap. Okay, what it means? It means that here I starting new Bitcoin, then to Ethereum, then to large cap. In general, what I saw in the past is that ADA, XRP was actually pumping before Ethereum. So actually to see ADA and XRP to pump right now is actually quite reassuring because it's actually mimicking what happened in 2020. So right now it looks like the same thing. And if history is going to help us to understand what's happening right now, then of course Ethereum is going to be next. And why am I saying that Ethereum is going to be next, guys? I mean, first of all, I would like to show you the Ethereum to Bitcoin pair. Right now, we are in a beautiful, we can say, downward wedge. There's a beautiful wedge pointing to the downside. Some people would say it's probably a pennant. And right now, you can see that Ethereum to Bitcoin has formed what we call the bullish engulfing candle. You can see the blue line over here covering the black candle over here. And in general, these signify an important reversal pattern. Of course, sometimes it can be that precise. You can see, like, for example, over here we had an engulfing, but then the price went down again. But in general, signifies a very important macro change of trend. And if history is going to help us to understand what's going to be happening after, we want to see Ethereum to potentially go and break and then continue to go higher, which means that Ethereum is going to go higher compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to stall, and then Ethereum is going to go higher. Because in fact, right, Ethereum, from a technical point of view, is about to go crazy. Like if you see from here, right, this chart over here is very similar what is happening to Bitcoin. Very similar, if not identical, right? You can see Bitcoin doing this, maybe completing up to 115 to 120. You can see Ethereum is basically has done this, and then what it could be doing next could be this. Simply because, first of all, you can see that Ethereum is printing what we call an inverted head and shoulder with a target. If I'm going to go here and do this, usually a target, it should be around this and this and this, and it brings you exactly to the 1.618 Fibonacci. If I connect this point over here in 2017, sorry, then I go over here, 2021, the peak of the bull market, previous bull market, you can see that the extension of Fibonacci 1.618 is around 7,600. So I would say that Ethereum has a very, very, very high chance to go and reach around $7,000. Call me crazy, say like, Ethereum is that and all of that, but I'm really, I would say, confident, right? And of course, this is not financial advice. It's a highly speculative asset that's only based on my own data. But look at the chart, the pure chart from here really, I would say, suggest that by maybe February, end of Jan, February, we could be seeing Ethereum pump into $7,600. Like really doing like this parabolic move, which has done in the past. And you can see that right now, what is actually we are waiting to see as a confirmation is going to be the breakout of this channel over here, of this like diagonal resistance over here, which is pretty much still not hasn't confirmed the breakout. But if you then connect these points over here to these points over here, you can see that once it's going to be able to confirm the breakout above this area, then it could be seen to be pushed to previous all-time high, a bit of a retracement, another push, retracement, and then another push around the 7,600. And also, like, looking at this, then you connect these points over here with the Fibonacci, and it brings you exactly to the point over here around $7,500. So very exciting for Ethereum with phase 2 that should be starting very soon. The other thing which is going to be also very important to see is about the total free market cap. This is basically the market capitalization of all the altcoins excluding Ethereum. So once Ethereum is going to pump, is going to go to 7,000, then I could be seeing all the money taken away from Ethereum, which is going to correct, and then all the money should be flowing into the other altcoins. Of course, the large cap, small caps, but this index represents the market capitalization, so all the coins except in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And right now, guys, again, very similar to what's happening with Ethereum, with Bitcoin. Similar, look like a cup and handle, could be an inverted head and shoulder. Very difficult to say what it is. You're taking a neckline from here to here, bring it over here, and brings you at least a target of like 1.4, 1.5 to even 1.7 trillion dollars market cap. So just imagine what's going to be happening right now. We had a pump from 725 billions to one, so we added 400 billions into the market, and XRP did a 6x, and he had already $80 billion market cap. Now imagine what's going to be happening if we're going to go up to here to 1.7 to 1.8 trillion dollars, with add another 800 billions. What's going to be happening now with the other altcoins? Well, the answer is quite clear. But of course, once we're going to go to that area, once we're going to reach the level I was talking about before, again utilizing our Fibonacci extension, so around the 1.6 trillion, 1.8 trillions, around that area over there, guys, we have to be very, very careful. I know that once you're going to go to this level, I can tell you already, everybody's going to be so euphoric, calling for a XRP $25. Then it's going to be, they're going to call for, I don't know, like this Shiba Inu or Celo or a Naka or Rio, whatever small cap coins. They're going to now do a 40x, 50x. Guys, that's the time once is very going to be very important to take your profits out. That's why, guys, in the VIP group, I'm going to guide lots of people into this process, which is very important to know when to get out. So, saying that, I want to give you some price prediction today, as promised, for like the best altcoins right now, the OG altcoins, which are now starting to wake up, and we can see how high they're going to go to. Alrighty, so number one is going to be ADA, ADA, Cardano. Lots of people, again, are telling me, oh, it's going to now go to $10, $20, $30. So what you have to be very careful now with Cardano. There are going to be very important levels that you have to pay attention. Number one is going to be the retracement of the golden pocket area of Fibonacci here at 61.8%. You can see that Cardano as well as form a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cup and handle. Could be even like a double bottom over here, but more like a cup and handle. And basically it's the shape over here. You can see there is a cup and there is a handle. And in general, this one is it is a reversal pattern that's if it's going to play out, we should be probably going up to here. But I would say that Cardano has a potential to go at the minimum level of 1.98 or $2. Okay, maybe we could be seeing a pump, up to here. And then from this level over here, I urge you to be very, very careful. I don't know what's going to be happening. I'm not concerned right now, but at the same time, once we're going to go to this level, I'm definitely going to assess the situation, because Cardano, guys, was at 30 cents. If you bought at 30 cents and you're going to sell at $2, that's a 7x from here. Is it going to go higher? Well, in order to go higher, first of all, we had to break this very important level of resistance, because remember, we were in a downtrend. So what could be happening right now? Bull market, no bull market, I don't care what the Moon Boys tells you right now. Everybody saying, they give you targets of like $20, whatever, which is complete nonsense. But what could be happening right now, guys? We're still in a downtrend. It's not an uptrend. So it could be doing this. It could be doing, and probably go up to here, and then from here, we could be seeing continuation to go to the downside. It's not a given thing that you're going to be seeing an all-time high with Cardano. But of course, if you're going to see, for example, a correction down to here, okay, if we're going to go to $2, and then it's going to, let's say, retrace down to 1.31 and then push maybe to a little bit higher than all-time high, then I have another one, then what we could be seeing, I would say that a potential target, sorry, I think I pressed something wrong over here, but let's get it, yeah, perfect. And what we could be seeing from here could be an extension of Fibonacci 1.618. So I would say that $2 is going to be a conservative target for Cardano, but at the same time, I'm going to be selling a lot if we're going to get there. And also, on the other hand, what I could be seeing if we're going to be able to break all-time high, the first target I could be thinking is going to be around $5, right? So we are only at $1.15 to go to $5 would be only like a 4.5x from here. Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go to $12 as per the extension of Fibonacci of 4.236? Maybe, right? Maybe it could even go to $20, but I don't care, to be honest, because once we're going to go to this level over here, I'll be thinking about selling a big portion of my Cardano. And if you're going to go up to this area, I'm going to sell 100%. Simply because I know that whatever goes up comes down, guys. Again, you're playing with speculative assets, which are very, very high risk. And there is a glimpse of the bad news, they're going to crash. I can tell you that already. So be very careful when you go to this level over here, this level over here, and this level over here. Next on the for today, guys, Polkadot, very, very similar to Cardano. We had a pump to the upside. Now it's coming out from the ashes. We broke this very important level of resistance over here, and again, could be expecting a retracement up to the golden pocket area. Could be probably flying up to here, then have a more pronounced correction. That's a very important level for resistance. And how high is going to go? Well, very similar. We can calculate our Fibonacci extension from top to bottom, $83 as a potential target if we are going to break all-time high. So if DOT is going to be able to go up to here, do this, and then continue higher, then if it breaks all-time high, then a Fibonacci extension of 1.618 could definitely be on the cards. $82. So from here, that could be roughly a 8x from here. Is it going to go here? I have no idea, and I don't care. Once DOT is going to go to $35, $40, I'm going to be out from the markets. Very happy because I'll be making lots of money. I bought DOT around $3, so it's going to be 11x from here. But very important, guys, to remember this. Next one, guys, very important, Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks great. I think there is a bright potential right now with Elon Musk backing up everything. But remember as well, Elon Musk is not the Federal Reserve. Donald Trump is not the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve is the one deciding what happens with the stock market and the crypto market. If they decide to increase interest rates, they decide to fuck everybody up, right? They're going to do it regardless of Dogecoin or Elon Musk opening the Department of Efficiency, Government Efficiency, or something like that. And looking at the chart from here, I would say that Doge has a potential to really pump probably past all-time high, reaching a first target of around 82 cents. Lots of people are saying that Doge is going to go to $20, $5, whatever they want to, they want to tell me. But I would say that to be more realistic, I could see Doge reaching around this target over here. I'm going to go and give you a rectangle over here. I would probably say that we could be reaching a target around here in between 90 cents or probably $1.34. It's going to go to $2, $3, $4. Well, I really hope so for you guys, to all of you who are thinking that it could go to $4, $5. If it goes there and you're holding until there, man, you're better than me. But personally, once we're gonna go to 82, $1, $1.20, I'll be definitely thinking about selling everything, and I won't have any regret with that. Next one, guys, XRP. XRP, I mean, looks like he had found out like a local resistance over here. What we could be seeing is a finish with XRP. Well, I would say that we could be seeing like a sort of like a retracement right now, maybe a little bit of a retracement down to here, but I don't think this movement is actually finished. So what we could be seeing from here, very similar to Dogecoin. XRP could probably have the potential to pump another maybe up to here, maybe $4, $4.20. So another maybe 90%, 100% from here is going to go to $5, $6. Well, could definitely happen. But I would say at this level over here, even guys, at this level over here, at $2.40, I would say that XRP, I even said that at $2, XRP was already dangerous. So be very careful right now that we are super extended. So maybe we could be seeing a potential retracement down to this area over here and then a pump to the upside. That's what I could be seeing right now. And again, then after this, another retracement, and then are we going to see a bear market? Are we going to see last pump to $6.66? I don't care, to be honest. I don't care because at this area over here, there's going to be a crazy point of high risk. And I can tell you, I've been through already 3 bear markets. It's always the same story. The new guys are always losing money. So don't be the person, be smart with this. And of course, guys, VIP group is the way to go. Come here. We are professionals into this channel, and I'm going to show you not how to lose money. And the last one I want to show you today, very important, Solana. Solana is lagging right now compared to XRP and also ADA because, of course, all the money is being sucked in. I mean, Solana, I don't know what to say apart from you can see this huge cup and handle, and this huge cup and handle has a potential to go up this way, up like this and up like this. So I would say that Solana, again, has a potential to go, even looking at the fib, right? You're going to go to the fib, look at the perfection from here. Fib says $400 for Solana. Is it going to go down to up to $1,000? Maybe it's going to go to $1,000. It's actually more likely it's going to go around $600, $640 or $500. Well, I will believe so. So for me, again, once it goes to $400, I will probably sell like a big chunk of Solana. And if it goes to $600, $650, I'm probably going to sell like 90% of what I have. Is it going to go to 1,000, 2,000? Maybe, who knows? But again, there is no point to buy so high. And there is a point in offloading your risks, go in cash, and then wait for the right opportunity when everything is going to crash to then rebuy back in. That's how you think as a professional trader and not as a moon boy. Remember that at the top, everybody's going to be so euphoric, and that's when they're going to rug pull everything. So be very, very careful with that. And guys, I really hope you really enjoy this video over here about my predictions. And of course, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. And for the next time, please leave in the comments as well if you want me to include any other coins you would like me to analyze, as a prediction. But otherwise, guys, the VIP group has everything that you can think of that's going to be very important for you. And we have all the analysis, long-term, short-term, for you to understand what to invest and what can pump as well. Otherwise, I wish you a great day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.